Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to update Temu app, and now let's dive right in. Now to update your Temu app on your phone, will be required to open the Play Store. So open up the Play Store first. And after opening your Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the search button available for us. Tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap over there and search for Temu. After searching for Temu, guys, on this interface you can see, guys, my Temu app also requires an update. So let's tap on the Temu over here and let's tap on the update button. In your case also, if your Temu app requires an update on your phone, guys, the update button will be available over here like this, just beside the uninstall. Tap on update and it will be updated and installed in a moment. Until then, let's wait for it, guys. And you can see, guys, it has been updated. And with that being said, guys, this is how to update Temu app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.